Fence about joining the organization, the train recruiters get creative.
Sometimes the train would go into the casinos and kind of flirt with the guys, trying to get them to, maybe we can date a little bit if you want to try doing this cheat with us. And they would just play up that it's a great lifestyle, you're going to be so happy that you joined our organization, and all you have to do is learn how to do the shuffle.
By 2003, the Tran organization consists of several former dealers and card trackers. They all have inside knowledge of how to fix the game of mini baccarat and conceal it from anybody watching. They crisscross the country, scamming smaller casinos, winning thousands every time.
They will sit there for 2 or 3 decks possibly, and then they will leave, and they'll leave the city or the state.